Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep. The last of my BTS Dalmajung merch orders arrived today, so I'll unbox this with you and then show you the other things that arrived in the meantime at the end. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, the last of my orders were the 2 folding photos and then a sticker set. Let's look at the sticker set. The packaging looks nice, at least on these. I have thoughts on the packaging on some of the other stuff, and usually the stickers are like very visible and it's just a backing, but this has, ooh, they're encased in like this folder and they're matte stickers, the day version, night version, and some of the motifs. These are really pretty. You can see the last sheet has glossy details. So it's like a matte back, but the printing is glossy. And then the members stickers are matte and they're square. These are actually really lovely and I think they'll look nice in a binder. I doubt I'll be able to use them as stickers, but they look really nice. I'm pleased with these. Okay. And then I've seen these online and they look really nice. The mini folding photos. Let's look at the day version. This packaging looks really nice. There's the out box, just the box, but then the actual photo is in plastic. And there is a ribbon, which I guess later you can like wrap around and secure the photo. Then you can see it's very thick cardboard and it has their names written in fan chant order, and I love how it's RM, like RM spelled in Korean alphabet. And these are really, 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 really beautiful. Oh my gosh, these look really nice. And then the back is the 달마중md motif. Got 2 of the square like designs and the circle in the middle. This is really nice. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. Let's open the night version. The ribbon is also different. It's like silver for the night version and like this sort of lovely yellow cream for the day. Do you guys like the day or night version better? I think a lot of people said they thought the night was more beautiful. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I love Hobie's and JK's sandals. I just like the mixing of like hanbok with like loafers and sandals, but absolutely gorgeous. I like both. I mean, we don't have to choose, right? Ooh, and this night version is this motif all across the back. If I had like little dolls, I could use these as like the partitions for their little dollhouse. But yeah, folding photos are gorgeous. Very, very pretty. Happy with these. And I'll show you what else had arrived in the meantime. Let me rearrange. So in the meantime, the postcard book and the rings had arrived, and also my mini photo cards. You saw me open 8 packs in my last video, and then my last order of 4 arrived. The ring, I did already open this to check for damage, but it came like this. Again, the plastic packaging is kind of strange for the ring. And then I'll show you the ring though. This box is really cute. This pouch is really cute. Little coin pouch, and then the rings were in this little plastic baggie. You're able to separate it. This is what the ring looks like. See it like that, and I mean, I don't know how it would look. I don't know if I would ever actually wear this ring. I don't know about this one. Maybe to just like a BTS event. Maybe this one, possibly. But obviously I got it for the photo cards, which I will show in the footage of me actually unboxing this for the first time. Insert that somewhere. Kind of small packaging. 2021 달마중 twin rings. Interesting packaging. Let's look at the reason I got these in the first place. Photo cards are a little thicker than soju, but they have the square corners. And here's the first one. The back has Jin and V written on the back. And then the second unit, oh my goodness, adorable. It says RM in Korean, RM Suga Jungkook. Cutie. Sorry about the glare. It's afternoon, nearly evening. So cute. I hope Jimin. There we go. Try to avoid the glare. Okay, and last is the postcard book. It is a 2-in-1 with day and night in one book. And the postcards I've already looked through are very beautiful. I'll show you them again here. So the back of each has this like traditional Korean room setup. And I think it is the same back for all of them. Day photos are gorgeous. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. I like that they're not thick too, so although I won't be ripping this one out. I don't know if they're meant to be detachable or not. It doesn't seem to be falling apart yet. But these are really lovely. And there's 2 sets of photos per member, per concept. So the first setting in sort of like an indoor setting, and then the second set in like the faux outdoor setting. We've got a mix of like faraway shots and these beautiful close-ups. V with a butterfly on his fingers. JK with the fan. And then a group shot at the end, one group shot. And then that's the end of the day version. So you flip it over to the night version. And gorgeous. Look at this. So stunning. So we're starting outdoors. And again, like the back of the postcard is the like empty set. And it has their names written in Korean. I'm glad they did night and day version, so we don't have to choose between the two. These are lovely. So pretty, so pretty. What else to say other than absolutely gorgeous? And a last group shot. I guess they are greeting the harvest moon in this photo, since this is the Chuseok goods. Chuseok goods 2 months later. So very, very lovely. And then we'll just do a quick shot of everything that was in here. I forgot to show you, last but not least, got myself a keychain, of course. JK's keychain, and I will open this to show you the texture, or like, of the fringe, the tassels. I don't think I need to remove it from its backing, but this is what the keychain looks like. Really pretty medallion here. On the front it has the Dalmajung, and on the back it says Dalmajung 2021 BTS Dalmajung. Then there's JK's photo here, and the back is plain. And it has little tassels here. I think this is pretty. I'm glad I got this keychain. And I have been buying the keychains for most of the merch so far, so it was very nice what the back looks like. All right, I think is everything for 달마중 plus all these photo cards. Anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you're staying safe and well, and I will see you next time. Bye.